In this video, we'll show you how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Tap on Wi-Fi and turn off the toggle next to it. Now go back, tap on Cellular and enable cellular data. Next, tap Cellular Data Options and switch on Data Roaming. Once that's done, reopen WhatsApp, request the verification code again, and check if it arrives. If WhatsApp still doesn't send the code, go back to the Settings app and scroll down to find Messages. Tap on it. Turn off iMessage, then scroll down to Unknown Sender. Then turn off Filter Spam and screen Unknown Sender. Now, open WhatsApp again and see if you receive the code this time. Still not working? Use the free VPN app on your iPhone. If nothing else works, the issue may be with your Messages app or something else on your iPhone. In that case, try inserting your SIM card into another Android or iPhone. Request the WhatsApp verification code there, and once you get it, enter that code on your iPhone. That should give you access to WhatsApp. And that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to do it with us for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.